In the world of business, productivity is king. But are you getting the most out of your Microsoft 365 subscription? Sure, you know about Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, but what about the hidden gems? Meet Microsoft Planner, your new project management best friend. Organize tasks, assign work, and track progress, all in one place. Or how about MyAnalytics? It's like having a personal productivity coach giving insights on your work habits and helping you work smarter. Then there's Stream. Think of it as your company's own private YouTube for sharing videos securely. And if you need quick feedback from clients or employees, don't forget Microsoft Forms. It lets you create surveys in minutes. There's so much extra in Microsoft 365 when you dive deeper. Discover these tools and more to boost your business productivity. If we can help you get the most from any software, get in touch.